Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect using three powerful VPN apps: HTTP Custom, SockIP Tunnel VPN, and ZIVPN, using UDP custom configurations to ensure secure online browsing and enhance security. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for HTTP Custom, SockIP Tunnel VPN, and ZIVPN. Download and install all three apps on your device. Next, open any web browser and go to the official UDP custom website. Tap the menu button and select Premium UDP Configs. Download one configuration file for each app: one for HTTP Custom, one for SockIP Tunnel UDP Request, and one for ZIVPN UDP. Save all these configuration files to your device's Downloads folder. Now open the HTTP Custom app. Tap the plus icon and select Import Configs. Navigate to your Downloads folder, choose the UDP Custom configuration file, and import it. Then, tap the Connect button to secure your browsing session. Next, launch the SockIP Tunnel app. Tap the three-dot menu, select Import Configuration, navigate to your Downloads folder, find the UDP request file with a .zip extension, and import it. Tap the Start button to establish a secure connection. Finally, open the ZIVPN app. Tap the three-dot menu, choose the Import option, and browse to your Downloads folder. Select the ZIVPN UDP configuration file and import it. Tap the Start button to start your secure VPN connection. And that's it. You're now connected through three VPN clients, enhancing your online privacy and browsing security with UDP tunneling technology. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.